exclusively in this conversation, Nabila, with Arvind Sawant. He is the trusted lieutenant of Uddhav Thackeray. He is a Shiv Sena MP. And remember that he is handling all the legal issues of the party, of course, in consultation with the specific lawyers who are dealing with this entire situation. The true insider, Arvind Saab, where is the entire discussion headed? Does Shiv Sena and the MVA have any hope in what the court is going to say in just about 45 minutes from now?
We should always be hopeful about the things, because whatever the points we are raising to the Honorable Supreme Court are valid one, are judicious one, are legal one. The issue is that the other day the Honorable Supreme Court started with the issue that why you have come to the Supreme Court, why you did not go to the lower court. But then allowed to debate about the issue, and then finally gave a verdict which is neither nor. I mean, neither he has asked to have allowed them to disqualify, nor he is seeking any, giving any relief to the party, our party, for the floor test. Because we have raised the issue there itself. If you are granting the period to give a justification or to give their submission about the disqualification notice, right, in that case the time period is little bit too large, in fact. And meanwhile the May opposition will move with the floor test, a request for the floor test, and accordingly then the Honorable Supreme Court said if such situation occurs, you are at liberty to come to the Supreme Court again. And there the reason there where we have went to the Supreme Court. Now see that the opposition leader missed yesterday evening, and immediately the Honorable Governor issues a notice. That itself shows the something is going on hand in glove only. And how can, don't understand, how come, what is the hurry was there? Why, when he knows that the Honorable Supreme Court has granted some relief to the people to submit their statements against the notice of disqualification, and that relief is up to the 12th of July. Then what is the idea? Another 6 days, 7 days, 10 days, it would have been it.
You're saying that the governor acted in a hurry. Yesterday, the leader of the opposition, that must be his job, to go knock the door of the governor. But governor being on a constitutional post, you think that overnight he sent that order that was actually in a hurry?
Surprising is that our own party people are saying there, we have not left Shiv Sena. Then when they say like this, we have not left Shiv Sena, we are the Shiv Sena only, and they have not given any letter of no confidence or withdrawal of their support to the ruling party, then right now the government, you can say, MUA, and so then when you don't have any letter, just because the news which are appearing in the newspapers or in media, the opposition leader goes and tells them that you should go for a verification, and within 24 hours we are asking for the government to go for a floor test. That itself doesn't look good. See, the Honorable Governor of Maharashtra, he denied, the recommendation of the government, wherein the government recommended 12 members of the Legislative Council which are nominated members. It has been decided by the cabinet. The names have been submitted to him for last nearly 2 years. He did not give an. He kept it pending. Is it a constitutional? So just because in the constitution time period regarding the decision has not been mentioned for the governor, that shows how much bias you are. So it's not delicious. And we are not functioning in a democratic way. The other day also, I won't comment right now. But the Honorable Supreme Court, we are expecting them to be a judicious one, as he has given a time to them. Okay, it can be understood by the time period, maybe according to him, maybe short one. But then it can be extended to 10 to 15 days for just a disqualification, for a disqualification notice. That doesn't look to be,
I'm not too happy about that, but also the fact that the governor has given just 24 hours for the assembly to convene. Do you think in that case 10-11 days given for disqualification answers, but the assembly convened in 24 hours, that also is a...
Look at the geographical, Maharashtra. A person from Gadchiroli, he doesn't have any flight from there. He has to come to Nagpur. and then from Nagpur he may get a flight or he has to catch a train. What will happen? Within 24 hours you are asking, what was the hurry? What is the hurry? So greedy of power. I feel it's really undemocratic functions are going on.
But you really think that if you look at the entire chain of events, you have knocked the door of the Supreme Court also saying that the governor didn't consult the Council of Ministers, not spoken to the Chief Minister. That is also violative before shooting that letter. Did he ask the Chief Minister that whether you have strength, what's going on? Because he apparently cited media reports.
Exactly. That should be a democratic functioning. But even if I am a governor, you should have said...
Did he ask the Chief Minister? Did he on a telephone, no telephonic call?
Just think of it now. The moment the opposition leader left, and within hours the notice has been issued. What it means? Did he speak to the Chief Minister of Maharashtra? No. Did he speak to any minister? Did he speak to cabinet? Nothing. He should have summoned and said, I have received this thing. You being the Chief Minister of Maharashtra, I would like to go for this floor test. Tell me accordingly the time we'll decide it and we'll go for the... We cannot oppose. Governor has a right to give a notice for the comments conducting a assembly session. But there also, the way it has been done, it's not judicious one.
It's not judicious, you're saying. So, Shiv Sena questioning the role of the governor, calling it completely biased. Importantly, Eknath Shinde, your colleague or ex-colleague now, is coming to Goa. He's not coming to Mumbai straight. Why?
I don't know. That is left to them. If they say they are Shiv Sainik, they are Shiv Sena, their leader is Uddhav Thackeray. And he should have met Uddhavji Balasaheb Thackeray. In fact, yesterday in the afternoon, Honorable Uddhavji Thackeray Sahab has issued an appeal and expressed a concern about these people. I have a concern for you, about your care. Why at all you are over there? You just come and talk to me and we'll finalize it. We'll resolve it. He has assured it. But then they did not, because see, the helm of total politics is what? They are dancing on somebody's directions now. They are not at liberty to take a decision now. It's open, I'm telling you. They are not at a liberty to take a decision about them. Had it been so, they could have come.